Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into Synchrony online banking, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you need to search for the Synchrony bank login in Google. So once you do that, you will be able to see a link at top on the screen where you need to tap on that link, and now finally you will be redirected to the official login page of the Synchrony online banking, where you can see it is asking us for our username and our password. So once you complete your credentials, simply tap on the sign in, and yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. And you can see there is a remember username option right above of this password. So once you enable this one, what it basically means is your password or your username or your credentials gonna be saved in this browser or in this device successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your username or password, then simply tap on the forget username or passwords on the screen, which is at the just down below of the sign in option. So yeah, basically this is how you can log into Synchrony online banking. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.